Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Cure Constipation and Bloating in a week with this amazing mixture. Hi friends, I would like to inform you to be careful because toxicity from a blocked colon can cause several health issues. Constipation. This could result from a bad diet, stress, or chemicals and other toxic substances that cause the colon to try and protect itself by producing more mucus, which eventually builds up on the bowel walls. Aches, headaches, backaches, and sciatic pain. Fatigue. Toxic residue in your colon can circulate through the blood to all parts of the body, causing fatigue. Odor. Bad breath, body odor, and gas can occur when the colon releases toxic gas into the body. Acne. A clogged colon can cause toxins to overwhelm the pores and cause acne. A combination of these problems could mean that your colon needs cleansing. According to experts, a colon cleanse can and should be used to flush toxins from the body and restore the digestive system after a weekend or a few days of overindulging, and this one only contains 2 ingredients, both of which you may already have in your home. Yes, you got that right. In this video, I am going to show you how to make the best and most effective homemade remedy which will help you relieve constipation in all natural way. And as I mentioned before, you just need 2 simple ingredients to make this powerful remedy: honey and apple cider vinegar. About the ingredients. Apple cider vinegar. The antibiotic properties of apple cider vinegar can help improve the acid content in the stomach, reducing heartburn and acid reflux. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can even increase the body's absorption of important minerals from the food you eat to ensure that you are getting the most out of your leafy greens. Honey. Organic, raw, unprocessed honey is loaded with compounds that can help you kill cancer cells in the body, making it a great addition to a colon cleanse. Unfiltered honey also provides the body with probiotics, which help to restore healthy bacteria to the digestive system. These friendly bacteria help the body digest food and absorb nutrients. The ACV Honey Cleanser Recipe. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of organic raw apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of organic raw honey. Directions: just mix these 2 ingredients in a cup and drink this mixture right away. That's it. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.